Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the crypto channel 329. Let's go for another video. Today's the trading day number 5, and we are going to aim to make 10.6153 bucks. Okay, so once we reach that target, we're going to achieve our 1% daily. Okay, guys, so again, I'm only going to use 0.1% of my total balance per trading session. Okay, and trading time is going to be 1 minute and 33 seconds. Okay, so I've got a few pairs over here going on. Okay, so I'm just on the lookout to see what's going to happen essentially. Okay, as you can see right here, I've got a few pairs. Okay, I missed this one. I thought the price would come over here and bounce back up, but no, he's come over here to this local bottom, which is okay. I missed this ride, so let it ride off. Okay, we got this one right here. It was trading inside these green lines. Okay, and then I started notice that he started from lower highs. Okay, he come all the way down, and once we got a confirmation that the price gonna break this downtrend right here, potentially the price will come over here to this green line again. Okay, so right now I'm just waiting, but as you can see right here, MACD is bearish. We got some red bars right there. We're about to see the crossover, and we also have lots of red bars. Okay, so that's an indication that the price will come over here to this green line, potentially test this green line, and try to ride back up. Okay, so now it's just a waiting game, and we also have this one right here. We clearly can see that it's on a downtrend, so we're only going to trade lower positions on this one. Right now, we had a dump, okay? We're going to have a mini pump potentially to this area over here, and then from there, I'm expecting the price to reverse because it also is going to meet the 100 EMA, okay, right here at the top, and then from here, hopefully, it will get rejected, and we will have a ride to the downside again, and potentially we're going to place a trade to come down on this one right here. Okay, so let me pause the video. Whenever I place a trade, I'll let you know. We have a few potential trades going on. So this one here didn't go all the way to the top, but we can see red bars forming on an histogram, potential crossover, so it's starting to go down again. Okay, so I just placed one trade over there. So this one potentially will now break this purple line and have a continuation to the upside. We also have this one. It came down, reacted to this green line, and seems like it's going to retest it before have a continuation to the upside. I'm going to keep on the lookout on this one. This one right here is coming down, so hopefully we'll have a continuation to the pattern, come all the way down to this one right here. This one right here seems like it's having a dump. Okay, so potentially I'm going to leave this one alone because we got a green bar forming over there. And this one, man, I'm missing this right up, I think. Let me have a look. Let me place one here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so this one right here, we got 28 seconds to go. So let's see how this one will go. Netflix, still down. Okay, this one right here. Yeah, it's gonna come and retest this line right here. We can see on Instagram. This one, let's keep an eye on this one. And this one potential, it's going to reverse. As you can see right here, green bars are starting to form. Okay, seems like we're going to clear our first trade. We did. Okay, cool. So that one is locked. So let's go back to Apple and let's see what's up. Yeah, everything shows that potentially the price will have a continuation to the upside. The reason why I'm not going to place any more trades is because it's getting close to the area where the price has been reacting. Okay, as you can see right here, price is being rejected right now. So we got 33 seconds to go. So let's see how it goes. MACD is showing loss of momentum right there, and we can see from the price chart. All right, so it seems like this trade right here is going to be a loss. Let me have a look around. This one, even though it's coming down, we can see that, green candles are starting to appear. Okay, so potentially the price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, this one right here is going to be a loss. Okay, we lost that one. No problem, one win, one loss. Okay, let's continue our trading session and let's see what's up. Okay, we back to Netflix. Okay, we can see that the price is breaking above this purple line right there. And essentially, if the price have a continuation to the upside, price potential will come over here to this green line, okay? Because the price was trading between these two green lines, okay? We can see on the MACD, even though the signal is weak because it was consolidating over here a little bit, okay? I strongly believe that the price will have a continuation to the upside, okay? So we got some green bars, but the price chart is showing a different version, okay? So the price is coming down slowly, so potentially we're gonna lose these five trades. Damn, I must have double clicked. It's supposed to be 4 trades, but whatever. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, so still bullish, even though price is coming down. Oh, that's no longer bullish. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. So I strongly believe that the price will have a continuation to the upside eventually. So I'm going to keep an eye on this one. And seems like we're going to lose all these 5 trades. It's supposed to be 4 trades, but I must have double clicked. Okay, this one's still coming down. This one, okay, come over here, retest it one more time. All right, so we're going to lose these 5 trades. Lost 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So price will come over here to the green line to retest it one more time. We have a look at this one. Okay, nothing's happening there. So we got 3 trades going on. So if the price, yeah, price is coming over here to retest it one more time. And then hopefully from there, the price will now make its way up to this green line over here, right? So we got to be right because we had 5 losses in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 losses in a row, okay? So there is no more room for mistakes. We got to win the next few trades, all right? Otherwise, we're going to be losing 1%, but I know I doubt that is going to happen, okay? We on the downtrend on this one. We were on the uptrend. We can see right here, but price broke this pattern, came down here. So let's see how the price is going to react. Okay, he's gonna test it one more time. Right there. Okay, we have this one right here. Potentially, we're gonna have a continuation. Okay, we came, pumped, dumped. All right, so this we can call the local bottom, tested 3 times right here. And now from here, potentially the price will come over here to this green line here at the top. So hence me placing higher positions, okay? MACD showing lots of green bars. We got the crossover right there. So now it's just a moment of waiting for the price to develop, and we can clear all these 5 trades that we got going on. Okay, so everything indicates that price will have a continuation. So hopefully we're going to be able to clear 6 trades that we got going on. In the meantime, we got this one's. Oh, this one. Oh, I missed this bump. Damn it. This one seems like it's going back up. Okay, this one is not doing much. This one is going to test the local bottom. This one is into mine, signal is weak, right? This one is gonna pump, okay. All right, this one slowly is pumping up. So we got 15 seconds on the first trade. Oh, signal is getting weak. So let's see how it goes. 5 seconds. We got that one. 3 seconds. We got that one. 4 seconds. We got it. Okay. 20 seconds on the next trade. So hopefully going to be able to clear all these trades so we can be in the green again. So 4 seconds. We got it. Okay, cool. Yes, finally. Okay, this one just broke the pattern. This one is into mine, is struggling to go up. Okay, nice pump right there. Okay, and we're going to clear this one, and we are going to be in the green. So we got 10 seconds to go, 30 seconds to go. Yeah, 30 seconds to go. So we're going to clear this one, and we are going to be in the green. Okay, so we're finally going to be in a positive balance from the today's session. Okay, so in the meantime, let me have a look around. So let's see how this one is going to react. So if this one breaks above this previous high, okay, that's an indication that the price will have a continuation to the upside. Okay, we got that one. Very good. So let's wait. So potentially this one might have a continuation to the upside, but most likely it's going to react to this 100 SMA. Okay, we can see right there a red bar. So potentially we'll consolidate or have a slight pullback around here before having a continuation to the upside. I'm going to keep an eye on this one. And if that's the case, I'm going to try to take another trade on the way up. Okay, this one is going bearish. As you can see right here, it broke the trend, decided to draw the local bottom right here, which is this red line. So seems like the price is going towards this red line right there. We can see that the price is trading below the 100 SMA. It's trading below the 10 and 20 SMA. Okay, and yeah, everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the downside. Lots of red bars. We got a crossover on the MACD, and the price is pushing. So hopefully we're going to have a continuation, and the price is going to keep pushing down so we can clear all these 4 trades that we got going on. So we got 48 seconds on the first one and 50 seconds on the last one. Okay, so let's see how this trade is going to develop. In the meantime, let's have a look around, see if we can find new opportunities. All right, what's going on here? Okay, this one is reacting to this area, but the signal is weak, as you can see right there. Okay, this one is also struggling to come over here to this local top again, so potentially will come down over here, but signal is weak. Okay, seems like this one is not going to make it all the way to the top, and potentially will come down. Okay, we can see red bar starting to form on the histogram. We got the local top over here. It's trading below the 100 SMA and is about to cross the 10-year SMA. So potentially going to take a trade on that one. Okay, nice trading opportunity over here. We cleared all those 4 trades, and we are $4 away to reach our target. So let's have a look at this one. We're going to place one trade there. Price will come down here. But at the same time, because the price it was trying to go on the uptrend, we can see here that the price came over here, reacted to the 100 SMA, and then had a continuation to the upside. Okay, so potentially I rushed into this trade right here because potentially price will consolidate, will do the same thing as pullback. Okay, so hopefully will be enough to trade. So we got 50 seconds to go. Lots of red bars though. So let's see how it goes. Because if the price doesn't recover, this is going to be a good trade, because the price potentially will come over here to the local bottom. Okay. And yeah, seems like he's heading towards that way. We can see lots of red bars. Crossover over here in the MACD, and he's about to cross the 20 SMA. All right, so everything looks bearish, so potentially price will have a continuation to the downside. But the reason I only placed one trade is because like I said to you in the beginning, a few minutes ago, potentially price will consolidate around this area before have a continuation to the upside, like it did over here. But seems like it's not going to be the case. But pullback can come all the way to this area before go up. All right, so we clear that one. Very good. That's all you're interested in. All right, let's go. Let's go for the next trading. 2 potential trades going on. Okay, we have this one. Right, so as you can see right here, we had a small pullback, and then we can see that this local low is higher than the previous low. Okay, so we had a pullback, so potentially price was going to have a continuation to this local top right here. But we still got a very weak signal over here on Instagram MACD. Right, we're about to see a crossover, but the signal is very weak, hence the candles being very small. And we also have, okay, this one is pumping. So I was about to say this one it was showing signs of reversal because it was right here, and then the candles starting to become weak, and we could see red bars over here. So usually that's a sign that the trend is about to change. Okay, but that doesn't mean it's pumping a little bit, but doesn't mean that it's going to have a continuation. Okay, I'm just going to keep an eye on that one, and let's go back to this one. All right, so it's not doing what it's supposed to do. Signal is still very weak, so I'm gonna wait and see what happens. Hey, as you can see, we had a little small pump, right? Two bullish candles, but MACD showing lots of red bars, potentially going to see a crossover. So seems like this one's going to have a continuation to the downside. If we extend this line right here, potentially the price will come over here to this line. All right. So we're going to place an entry right there, and we're going to roll with it. In the meantime, this one right here is still in two minds, but everything is indicating that we're going to have a continuation to the upside, all right? But we can see that the signal is very weak, so I'm a bit hesitant to place this trade because anything can happen. So price is really reacting to this area. So I'm just waiting to see if the price is going to have a continuation to the upside or is going to form a new trading line. Okay, another trade over there. So we got two trades going on. So the first trade is going to expire in 55 seconds. And well, yeah, 55 seconds. So you got plenty of time for the trade to develop. In the meantime, we got this one. Okay, just broke the pattern. So let's wait and see what's going to happen with this one. This one potentially will come over here to this top. This one right here is doing a different thing. And this one is going to have a continuation to the downside, but the signal is very weak. And this one right here, okay, seems like we had a pullback, and now we're gonna have a continuation to the upside because we can see we are on the uptrend. Let's have a look at this one. Okay, this one is not doing what we expected to do, so we're gonna seems like we're gonna lose the first trade. So it's 8 seconds to go. We got a green bar forming over here, so potentially the price will not go low. So we lost the first one. Let's see how it's gonna happen. What's the other one that I was looking? Was it this one? Okay, this one is showing a bullish momentum right here. Lots of green bars. We're gonna see a crossover. So potentially this one's gonna come up. Okay, right there. We got 15 seconds to go. Got a doji candle right here. Usually that's a sign that the trend, the momentum is reversing. So lots of red bars. So price is in two minds, but seems like we're gonna also lose that one. So we lost that one. Okay. Let's have a look at this one. Still in two minds. Signal is very weak, so no point placing a trade over there. Signal got very weak over here. So seems like the trend will no longer follow this pattern and will go somewhere else. All right. In the meantime, let me have a look around. Let me see what's up. Okay. Right here. So it came up against this line again, and potentially we're gonna have another continuation to the upside. So we've got this one right here, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, and now potentially in the swing high, we can see that we got lots of green bars right here, potentially gonna see a crossover anytime soon. So everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the upside. We can see that we're still also on the uptrend. Okay, we are in the uptrend. Price is trading above the 10 SMA, and I thought the price would go and break below above that 20 SMA, but it's failed because it's a purple line, so it's still not above the 20 SMA. So potentially it's going to come to test this 10 SMA before, if that happens, have a continuation to the upside. But seems like that's not going to be the case. Price, you got a doji candle right here, so usually that's a reversal on a trend. Okay, so it seems like price will come over here to this bottom over here, and most likely price will break below. Okay, price will have a continuation to the downside. If that's the case, we are going to lose these three trades that we got going on. Okay, and today seems like we are having rough times. Okay, so but all will go well, and we're going to be able to get that 1% daily. Okay, this one right here is coming to test this resistance as expected. This one I'm expecting this one to come over here, test this resistance, and have a continuation to the upside. So let's see how it goes. If it continues to come down, potential will come over here to this one. This one right here, finally decided to make a move to the upside. This one is coming down. Okay, so we're going to leave it alone. Let's see what happens. Everything is bearish on this trading, but seems like the signal is getting weak, right? And most likely is going to consolidate over here before have a continuation to the upside. All right, this one didn't do as we were expecting. This one, even though it's pumping, we can see lots of red bars, and potentially the trend will change a little bit. Probably will consolidate before make its next move. Okay, so let's hold on and let's see what happens. We have this one, so seems like he's gonna come and test this one more time. Hence, we placing trades on the lower. Okay, on going down. I mean, we got 3 trades going on. So let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, everything shows bearish from the top, from right here. Looks bearish, lots of red bars. As you can see right here, we had a crossover over here. And now it's just a moment of waiting to see the price come down to this line. But for some reason, price is reacting. We got the green bar over here. We got the green candle over here. So potentially we're not going to see the price coming all the way down. And as you can see right here, this 100 SMA acted as resistance, because it seems like the price came over here to the 100 SMA and decided to bounce back up where exactly we placed those trades. All right. So hopefully it's going to be good enough for us to clear all these 3 trades that we got going on. All right. So signal is getting weak, which is not a good sign. We got 2 green bars over here on Instagram, which is not a good sign. So potentially price is going to reverse and have a continuation to the upside, which is going to be against our trades. So 2 seconds, we lost the first one. So we got 11 seconds on the next one. Okay, we got doji candles over here. Signal is changing, so potentially the trend is no longer going to have a continuation to the downside, and we're going to see a reversal. So we lost 3 trades in a row, and we are in negative. Okay, so yes, seems like price is reacting, and now most likely it's going to have a continuation to the upside. Okay, it sucks because everything was indicating that the price would come down over here to this line, but it didn't happen, so let's move on. Okay, yeah, seems like we're gonna have a continuation to the upside. Decided to place a trade on this one. Let's place another one there, and let's see how this trade is gonna develop. So we got 2 trades going on, lots of green bars. Okay, we had a dump all the way here, a small pullback, I shall say. Okay, we're still on the uptrend, and now potentially the price will come and meet this top line right there. So hopefully that will be the case. We'll be able to clear these 2 trades that we got going on. Okay, so potentially I'm going to place another trade because yeah, everything indicates that this is going to be a good ride. We got a crossover coming up on the MACD, green bars forming, all good. We also, where's the other one? This one just had a huge dump. Potentially will come to this run right here. Let's keep an eye on that one. Tesla is pumping as hard. Right, this one is struggling, so seems like, okay, so if we do this, so potentially find a new trading opportunity, we can see that the price is doing local highs. Okay, this one is going to be a winner. Cool, cool, cool. So local high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Okay, so everything looks bearish, right? So we got red bars right there. So potentially this is going to be a good trading opportunity to go low. Okay, so we got those 2 trades. Cool, cool, right? And we are where we started, which is bad because we've been trading for a while. But sometimes things doesn't go as we planned, right? So we just gotta be patient. Okay, so let me pause the video and let me see what's up. We had a pump pullback to the resistance level, right here, and now we have another pump. Okay, just placed 3 trades. We can see green bars forming on Instagram, potentially going to see a crossover soon. So that's why I am bullish about this one, and hopefully this one will go well and we will be able to clear these 4 trades that we got going on right now. Okay, so price is on the uptrend. We can see on the long uptrend. Candles, ooh, candles, I was about to say they are breaking above the 10 SMA, but that's not the case because you can see that this one almost closed above the 10 SMA, but is not there yet. Is not there yet. And we still got bullish momentum, green bars right there. So potentially we're going to see a continuation to the upside. So the first trade is going to end in 34 seconds. Okay. And yeah, price is taking its time in this area, but I strongly believe that we're going to see a continuation to the upside and just place another trade. So we got 7 trades going on, 19 seconds on the first trade. Slowly price is creeping up. Okay, we just cleared the first trade. So let's see how this thing's going to develop. So we got 5 seconds, 3 seconds on the next trade. We got that one. We got that one too. And we got 5 more trades to go. So if we clear all these 5 trades, we're going to be at what, 10.58. So we're going to be $3 away from our daily target. Okay. And if we draw a line over here, we can say that this one right here is our local top. So potentially price will come over here to this local top. Okay, lots of green bars over here on Instagram. Crossover coming soon. 11 seconds on the next trade. So yeah, seems like this trades that we got going on over here is going to be all profitable. Okay. In the meantime, let's have a look around. Let's see if we can find the next opportunity. This one is going to come and test the local bottom one more time. Okay, this one potentially is going to have a continuation to the upside. It's going to consolidate over here a little bit. Okay, this one, the signal is weak. That's why I haven't placed any trade. I missed this pump. And this one right here, I missed this pump also. Okay. All right. So we got 10 seconds to go on the last trade. Signal still bullish. Lots of green bars on Instagram. We got a crossover. And we are at 10.58. Okay, so the daily target is 10.61. So we just need 3 more bucks. 3 more bucks. That's all we need. Okay. No need to be greedy. So let me pause the video. Let's continue for the next one. Okay, potentially gonna have the last trading of the day. That is pump, dump, and as you can see right here, as soon as the price came over here to this dump, it pumped back up. So I decided to place only 1 trade for now to test it out, see what's happening, because this is a level. This was the local bottom. If you go down, you can see that price test this level a few times, and then from there, price always pump back up. Okay, that's why I decided to place 1 trade just to test the waters, see what's going to happen. All right, so see how the price going to develop. Seems like the candles will start to close above the 10 SMA. Okay, usually when that happens, that's a good sign that the price will have a continuation to the upside. We got some green bars over here on the Instagram, potentially going to see a MACD crossover soon. Okay, so everything indicates that the price will have a continuation to the upside. Potentially will come over here to this first resistance level. Okay, we're going to place another trade right there. We got 27 seconds on the first trade, 130, 125 on the second trade. Let's see how things gonna develop. Okay, 15 seconds on the first trade, 115 on the second trade. So price is reacting to this level again. Potentially we might see a slight pullback to this green line again. Okay, let's place another one there. But everything indicates that we're going to have a bullish continuation. We got the crossover on the MACD right there. Lots of green bars, which is good to see. Candles are closing above the 10 SMA, which is good to see. And potentially next candle going to be closing inside on top of the at 20 SMA, which is a good sign again. All right, so everything indicates that potentially going to have a continuation to the upside, at least to this next resistant level right there. Okay, so we have 35 seconds on the next trade, 1 minute on the last trade. Okay, another green candle, which is good to see. Okay, so if we clear this one, we're going to be at 1060, 1061. I think 1061 is our daily target. So let's keep pushing and let's hope that um, clear a little bit more than 1%. Okay, would be nice clearing more 1%, some extra gain so we can maximize our rewards. Okay, so we cleared the first one. All right, so we got two more trades going on. And the first trade is going to expire in 20 seconds, as you can see right there. The next one's going to expire in 1 minute and 9 seconds. So everything looks good, but as you can see right here, the candles are getting smaller. So I'm no longer place any more trades because it seems like price is going to face some resistance around this level. And if the price have a continuation to the upside, potentially will come over here to this top, right? So we're just gonna let it ride, all right? So let the price come over here, do the consolidation and the slight pullback before the continuation. And yeah, hopefully we're gonna be able to secure the trade. We got 35 seconds to go. And actually, we're going to be in the green, 1% done. All right, so 1061.53. We're going to be at 1060. Well, we're going to be at 1060. Well, 1062 actually. So let's see how it goes. So we got 15 seconds to go. Let's have a look around. This one is not in a pattern. This one is testing this local bottom again. Wait, let me have a look. Yeah, this one, it was trading on a downtrend. Okay, I thought it would come over here and be rejected to the downside, but it did not happen. Okay, seems like it's going to consolidate a little bit around this local bottom. Okay, because if you go back, we can see, well, it's not the local bottom. Local bottom is right here. Okay, seems like it's going to consolidate a little bit over here before make its next move. Okay, and as you can see right here, we already achieved our daily target, which was 1061. We got 1062. Which one did we trade? We trade this one right here. Okay, as you can see right here, I was right. The candles starting to show slow momentum. Okay, we're potentially going to see a pullback to this green line over here before we see the next swing high. Okay, in the meantime, let me have a look around. Let's see if we can find more opportunities. Okay, so this one potentially is going to try to come over here to this green line. Why? Because we can see green bars on Instagram, and this is a resistance line, previous resistance line. Okay, so now act as support because come over here was up, came over here was up. Okay, so potentially from here, we're going to see the price try to achieve this local top, which was right here. Okay, price is reacting. Okay, we can see green bars even though we have red candles. We can see green bars on Instagram. So that's a sign that the trend is changing. Okay, even though we're still in red, we can see that the momentum is starting to become bullish. Okay, and again is reacting to the 100 SMA, as you can see right there. Okay, and you know, SMA over here, 100 SMA over here is reacting as a what do you call it, support line. Okay, so let's have a look and see how this one is going to develop. So yeah, everything is still bullish over here on Instagram, even though we are seeing a bearish momentum. Okay, so you might consolidate a little bit before attempt one more time to break this local top. Okay, you can see lots of small candles right there. We got a doji candle right here, and we got a weak candle, and potentially from here the price going to crank up, and finally they're going to decide to make a move to the upside. Okay, so we just placed two trades. All right, so everything looks bullish, right? So potentially price will have a continuation and try this local top right here. Okay, and oh, well, I also got three trades, supposed to be two. We can see that this candle right here is going to close above the 10 SMA, which is a good sign. Usually when that happens, that's a good sign that we got a pump. Okay, and the next one potentially is going to close above the 20 SMA, which is the purple line right here, and that's also a good sign. Okay, so that's indicate that's an indication that the price will have a continuation to the upside, potentially try to break this local top right there. Okay, crossover on the MACD is about to happen. We got 44 seconds, 45 and 44. Okay. So yeah, if we, clear these three trades, I'm gonna wrap it up because once we clear all these three trades that we got going on, is gonna be 1 hour and 10 minutes that I've been trading. Today has been a tough trading day. We didn't have the great start. We had to place more trades than usual, but what happens at the end of the session, that's what matters. The ultimate goal, that's what matters, okay? It's not about how you started, it's about how you finish. As long as we finish to clear these 1% daily, I'm not concerned about how we started, okay? How we finish, it's the main goals. Okay, so we got that 2 seconds. Boom, boom. Okay, very good trading day. Okay, so today we made 1.4%, I believe, 1.3, 1.4%. And yeah, I'm happy with the results. I could continue the trading session because we got some decent pairs over here going on. But I'm gonna wrap it up because I've been trading for more than an hour now. So we start trading at, you can see lots of positive ones. You start trading at 9:55. It's 11:06. Okay, 1 hour and 11 minutes trading session. But in the long run, it was worth it because we managed to clear that 1%. Okay, and day 5 is completely seems like this one is going to be a good opportunity to go low because we on a downtrend. Failed to break this resistance line and seems like he's going to test the support line one more time. MACD showing lots of red bars. We're going to see a crossover soon. Candles are about to close below. Well, they were to. They got a dodgy candle right here. Usually that's a trend reversal. Okay. And yeah, price is not going down to this line right here. It's going to test this local top. And if it breaks this local top potential, we're going to try this one right here. Okay, this one right here, we had a small dump and seems like going to have a continuation to the upside. And lastly, the one that we just trade, this one, yeah, as you can see right here, is definitely going to try, or at least going to try to break this previous local high before trying to break this local top. Okay, but yeah, that's enough for today, guys. I'm going to wrap this video up. Let me just go ahead and update the sheet. Okay, day 5 done. Cool. So 10. Oh, day 5 or day 6? Um, oh, I messed up, I think. But anyway, where is it? 1064.94, 1064.94, 1064.94, 1064.94. Done. So the next trading session, we're gonna be at 1064.94, and we're gonna try to reach 1075. Okay. That being said, guys, let me just show you my trading score for today. Okay, here's the today's trading score. So 44 trades, winning rate 68%, not bad at all. Okay, and we made 13.87. So we were supposed to make 1051. So we made a few extra bucks. Okay, which is good because in the long run we're gonna compound those bucks and turn it into bigger bucks. Okay, so that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.